What's it say? What's it say? Can he read it?
Have a good look at that barcode again now.
Right, this is going to be really tricky.
It doesn't have that 5 of that on it.
No.
And have a look at the line.
No! Can I see? Can I have a look?
Let me see that. Let me see that.
It says it! It says it! It says it! It says it!
It does say it, doesn't it?
It says it!
This is a advertising card. It advertises various different things and they all look exactly the same. I'm going to use this to influence you. In fact, I'm going to tell you right now, everything I do, everything I say is designed to influence you to do one particular thing that I want you to do. Start off by having a look at that. You don't have to read it, you can do if you want to. Have a look at the images. So if you saw that again, you'd recognise it. While she's doing that, Mickey, you can see that all the cards are there and they're all different.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good. And when you're happy, we'll take that back.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, happy.
Now, be honest with me. Did you feel, when you looked through that card, did you feel influenced at all?
No, I
You didn't feel influenced, not one little bit?
Only
Okay.
no.
No, okay, cool. That means this is working, this is good, we're in sync.
Yeah.
So, I want you, as I spread through the cards, when you see a card you like the look of, just let me know. And I'm allowed to see it.
Yeah.
Which card, as I go through any time, just call one out that you like.
Okay, 2 diamonds.
That one there.
Yeah.
Now, it's really important that you feel like you have a free choice. I don't want Mickey saying later on, when you talk about this, and you will talk about this, I don't want you saying later on, Mickey, well, you know, he was good, but he wouldn't let you change your mind. Are you sure you want the 2 of diamonds?
Absolutely want the 2 diamonds.
Okay, that's fine. And that was a free choice. Mickey, you're watching very carefully. I can tell just by like, you're not going to get me, magic boy. The 2 of diamonds, that was fair, right?
Yeah.
Would you have picked the 2 of diamonds, or would you have picked something different?
Different.
Yeah, exactly. That's why this is working, because I influenced you to pick the 2 of diamonds. You could have picked any card, and I influenced you to pick that one particular card. Do you believe me?
No, because I chose it.
Yes, but you chose it after looking at this card. He didn't really look at the card. Notice, when you were looking at it, he started looking at it, and I asked you a question which made you look away.
Yeah.
I didn't want him to look at this card. You felt like you had a free choice.
Yeah.
But before you did that, you looked at this card. Did you notice there's lots of images on there and there's a little picture of a playing card? You notice there's a barcode?
Yeah.
You read the text, you didn't really look at the barcode too much, did you? Nobody ever does, because it's a barcode. We see barcodes every day. We see thousands of barcodes every single day. You're not going to believe this. Now you know what to look for. Have a good look at that barcode. And remember that you picked the 2 of diamonds.
What the fuck?
Wow.
That's bonkers.
That's crazy.
I can't explain that. You see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, that's crazy. You noticed the barcode, right? Have a good look at the barcode.
Sorry. No way. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my god. That's crazy.
So, Elle, do you think I can influence you? Hey, my name's Craig Petty, and on behalf of TCC Magic, I want to introduce you to the hidden code.